Hmm. My recording is started here. Okay. So please draw like this. So this is your any you are going to draw this in the stat way. So please draw in your copy like this, right? And this is your distance. The y distance is 4 meter. This is the 4 meter distance, right? And this is all the 4 meter distance.
Yes, sir.
And this is your 3 meter distance. Height is 3 meter. In the x direction, 4 meter distance, and in the y direction is a 3 meter distance. Right here. So we have how much grids? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the y direction, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 in the y direction, right? So how many blocks we have? 16 blocks, right? So
Yeah,
what is the total distance? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3?
12.
12.
12 meter.
And in the x direction, how much?
16.
16.
16. Okay.
Yes.
Now we have to change the screen here. We have to change the grid, right? So here you don't able to see your grid. So now grid is appeared to you. Yes. For the snap grid method, what distance we can take in the x direction? (16) up to 60. Yes. Yes or no?
You're not audible, sir.
I am audible now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me, what changes to be made in the grid to draw that figure? In the x distance, in the x-axis, what distance we can take? Up to the 16? Yes. Okay.
16, yes.
And on the, yes? Or on the y-axis? 12?
12.
Okay.
Yeah.
Meter.
Click. We go to the edit button.
Okay.
And we change the x-axis to up to the 16, right?
Yes.
And what is the distance in the
4 meter.
4 meter? So you can specify as 4 meter. And in the x direction, we have to choose
12.
12.
12.
And what is the distance is?
3 meter.
3 meter.
3.
3 meter. So here we have to see on 56 meter, and here we have a 36. This is the two big grid, right? Now I'm going to change here. We have 4 on in the x direction and 4 in the y direction. So this is your desired grid. See, on the x-axis is the 12 distance, and on the x-axis is the 16 distance, and on the y-axis we have 12 meter distance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the desired grid to draw
Yeah.
this figure, right? So you can click here one by one like this, right? To make this figure. Now I am going to start from here, so I can press control button and click like this, and again to start from here, press control button and click here and remove your control button, and you can draw like this. So your grid is your figure is drawn. Yes or no? How
Yes.
easy we can draw this figure with the help of snap grid method, right?
Hmm.
Okay, the next method was coordinate method. Okay, the next method was the coordinate method. You just draw a triangle which we are drawn yesterday like this, right? So tell me, what is the distance of this axis? Just first give the naming of these points. 1, A, B, C. This point is D. This point is E, F, right? So what is the distance of AC? Yesterday I told you, what is the distance of AC? 12 meter.
12 meter.
Okay. What is the distance of AB? Is 6 meter. Okay. What is the distance, vertical distance to D? This one.
1.5.
1.5.
Okay.
1.5.
Okay. 1.5.
1.5.
1.5, right? Okay. And what is the distance on x-axis up to the hair?
Three
0.3.
meter. 3
This
meter.
is the 9.
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
And this is
Yeah.
So tell
3
me,
meter.
this will
3
be
meter.
yes 3 meter. So tell me, what is the coordinate of A? 0, 0.
Yes, sir.
And what is the coordinate of B?
0,
0.
6 meter.
6, 0, dear.
Yes,
Yeah.
Because 6 distance in the x-axis. That's why we prefer
X.
x first. And what is the
Yeah.
distance of C?
12.
12,
12, 0.
0.
12,
0.
Yeah.
And what is the
Yes.
coordinate of D point?
9,
Yeah. Yes, 9,
1.5.
very good, dear. Very
1.5.
good. And what is the coordinate of E?
6, 3.
Yes, very good. And what is the coordinate of F?
3, 1.5.
Yes, very good, dear. So this is the our required coordinates.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to put this coordinate in the StatPro, right?
Okay.
So where we are going to enter these points. So if you close this window, snap grid node beam, you can close here from there. So we have, you can see a two window, a node window and a beam window, right?
Yeah.
So we have the certain coordinates. Here we have this dot is called as a node. These dots are called as node.
Towards.
and this lines is known as called as beam. Yes, dear, understood?
Yes.
These dots are called as node, and
Yeah.
this lines is called as beam.
Beam.
Okay. Now you just select all the figure and press delete button. First, the message is shown 40 beams and associated physical beams will be deleted. Yes? Press OK.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
the second message shown the deleting beam has left some node with no structural element attached. So, do you want to delete the node also? Press yes. Right? All the nodes and beams deleted. Right?
Mm.
Now you just click here and press the 0 in the x-axis and 0 in the y-axis, because we are going on draw this figure on the xy plane, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So the next coordinate was 6, 0,
Yes.
6, 0, right?
Mm.
The x coordinate remains z coordinate remains 0 for all the points, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can see we have created two nodes on our screen on the black dots, right?
Yeah. Yes.
The next coordinate was 12, 0. Now we have the three nodes, right? Okay. Next point is
Yes, sir.
Yes.
9,
1.5.
1.5. And the next one is 6, 3
3.
3.
and 3, 1.5.
1.5.
So see, we have how much nodes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 nodes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see,
Yes.
in this figure we have specified the 6 coordinates only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
we
sir.
have to draw the beam.
Yes. Yes.
Now we are going to draw a beam. So in the downward we
And
have the second window called as beam, right? Here we have node A and node B option. What is that? Here I am going to specify the node numbers. Can you define which node number is this?
first.
Okay.
First. Okay. And this is
Second.
second. So you are remember all the node numbers,
Yes.
but
Yes,
here
sir.
we have the 6 nodes. That's why you can remember, right?
Mm.
But if we have the large number of nodes, how can you remember this? Yes or no?
Yes.
So we have an
Yes.
option.
Put numbering.
No, it's all automatically show you the numbers. You just
Naming.
press shift plus n.
Yeah.
You just press shift plus n to show or hide the node numbers. Shift plus n, the node numbers is hide, and again press shift plus n to show the node numbers. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now see, this is your 6th number node. Select here. This number is, a node is highlighted with red color. If you select this third node, so see, the third node is highlighted with red color. Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
this is the confirming to see the node number is correct or not, right? Okay. Now here
Yes.
I am going to draw a beam between node number 1 and 2. So you can specify 1 in the node A and 2 in the node B. So see, the beam is created? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, we are going to create the second beam between 2 and 3. Press 2 in the node A and press 3 in the node B. So the node is created. The beam is created
Yes.
or not? Again,
Created.
Yes. Created.
yes.
Three.
Sir,
Again,
we can directly do,
sorry.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
We can directly do by doing add beam.
Yes, you can do with the add beam also, but you know this method also, na?
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you can click here 3 and node 4, right? 4
Yes, sir.
and 5,
Yes.
5 and 6 and 1 and 6, right?
Hmm.
And the next one is 2 to 4, like this, and 6 to 2.
2.
So
Two.
this is your desired figure with the coordinate method.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you can able to draw this with the coordinate method.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
first you, how can you obtain this coordinate method? How can you activate this coordinate method? If you activate the grid, right? Now default is the snap grid beam is created, right? So where you want to give your coordinates? If this window is visible, you can close this window, or you can go to the geometry and again click on the same procedure. The grid is disappears and your node and the beam window will show you, table show you. Yes.
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 Okay.
Yes.
Now you have a homework to draw this figure again with the coordinate method. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. And the second homework, this one. You remember this? You remember or not?
Yes, sir.
We draw this few minutes before.
12 and 16.
Yes, 12 and 16. So you can already drawn in your copy or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Of it.
So, okay. Can I draw again or I can leave it?
Can leave it.
Okay, okay. So you have two figures to draw in your homework, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the third figure, I will give you to draw this. If you able to draw, you can draw it, or if you don't able to draw, so leave, and in the next class I can show you how to draw it, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is your desired figure, right? And the total
Yeah.
distance is 12 meter, right? And the height is 3 meter. Total height is 3 meter, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is your desired figure. So you can, if you able to draw this, you can draw, or if you are unable to draw this, please leave for your next class. So in the next class, I can show you how to draw this, right?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, dear.
Okay, sir.
So anyone having any doubt for today's class?
No doubt, sir.
All the doubts is clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
how to edit Beam manually?
How can edit?
How to edit Beam manually, without nodes and Beam?
Uh, what editing you want to do in this figure
Like
here?
to connect those nodes,
Yes.
Beam has to be connected to those nodes, no sir?
Acha,
So without,
without putting the node numbers in the table,
yeah,
we have the add beam option here. This is the,
okay,
or in the geometry,
yes sir.
you have add beam option point to point. So see, okay,
Okay,
I can show you. So I'm going to delete the beams, only beams from the beam table, right? All the beams.
okay,
Just select all the figure and press delete button, right? Or no?
okay,
So this is the only the nodes is remaining, right? Go to the
yeah,
geometry and click on the
yeah,
add button and choose add beam point to point. Yes, and click on
yeah,
node 1 and node 2. See, the node number is appear automatically here.
yeah,
See, like this.
okay,
Just clicking on the nodes. The node numbers is automatically filled in the table.
yeah,
So this is the process to draw manually by clicking on the nodes,
okay, sir.
right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, dear. Now, tomorrow is a Sunday, so there
Yeah,
is no class. All of you please remember, tomorrow is a Sunday,
okay,
so there is no class. The next class will be on your Monday.
Oh,
yeah,
Yes. So
okay,
on
So
Sunday, yes,
we can ask any doubts for tomorrow.
you can message me. Yes, dear. You can
Yeah,
message
okay,
me.
okay.
If you have any problem, you can message me. Then I can reply you. Right?
Anytime or what time it is, sir?
Anytime, dear. When I see your message, then I can reply you.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, thank you.
As I see your message, I can reply.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, dear. Okay, dear. Now that's all for today.
okay, sir.
And take care. Good night.
Good
Night,
night.
sir.
Okay, dear. Bye bye.
thank you, sir.
I can send you the video of
Send
this
us
class. Yes, Vibhuti?
Okay. Yes, sir.
to send recorded video.
Yes, I can send you within 10 minutes on your WhatsApp group as a YouTube link, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
dear.